Oh yeah, how big am I? Big! That's right, and what time's it about to be? Time! And what time's it up? And what time is it? The big time! Yeah, that's right, punks! Hey! Yeah, that's right, boys! Thousands of my fans have wanted to draw this guy, and now we're finally gonna get to see it live. Tonight we're finally gonna draw the big time. Codenamed So Big, So Bad. His power, agility, and stamina are almost at 100, and hugeness, it's already at 100. And trust me, you do not want to mess with the big time. He's always ready to bring on some smacking. Nobody wants to mess with the big time. Not even zombies. The perfect rival he's gone up against was none other than Mr. Extremo. He even had his own rematch with him, along with Hometown Huck. You do not want to judge this guy. He was in the championship twice. Alright, that takes care of that. Now let's draw the lower half. And done! There he is. That's the big time. Now then. Alright, chumps, what time? Alright, chumps, what time is it? It's time for the time bomb! Alright, guys, get ready. He's counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah!